Alright, so about to head out to gas station 76 around the block to meet up Jay and DJ. Jay's the dude with the blue 4Runner. DJ's the dude who's borrowing his brother's Tacoma. Hopefully we get there pretty early and have some fun. Did I close my garage? I didn't close my garage. Just dropping everything. Not too hard of a turn there. Got Mr. Cool Guy Tacoma. Oh shit. Alright, so just left the Chevron next to our spot. DJ's in the back with the other Tacoma. Meeting up Jay at a 76 down the ways, and then we are off. Oh, he's literally parked in the back.
Dude, I can't believe I forgot my comms.
I can't believe we're hella late.
Huh?
Oh, that too. I can't believe DJ's here.
DJ's here. Wow. Okay. Bro, this shit's hella slow. Huh? Hella slow. Slow, huh?
Get all these SES fanboys here. Oh! Do a quick walk around montage of the cars. Alright, we're gonna head out. I'm gonna spare you guys the lame montage of us driving up there because it's just all highway. Yeah, we'll see you guys at a Pinoche. Okay, never mind. I think I'm gonna do a quick montage. Made it out here, a little bit over an hour drive. Panoche Hills Recreation. Panoche. Check out the view. Soak it in. Alright, I think we're gonna post up and chill for a couple minutes, then head up. Still gotta check out the map or something like that. I don't know where we're going. Never been here before.
Yeah, just send me that.
This is the crew right here, but we got the the Taco, the big boy, big daddy, big brother Taco, the blueberry Forerunner, and the broccoli colored TRD Offroad. Not gonna lie, a little bit of slippage there, dude. Yeah.
Yo, I had so much trouble and I put it on my fucking out in the middle. The whole time I was trying to my GoPro.
He was like,
You serious?
taking a little bit of the view for a second. That was like a 2-minute drive right there. I know we got a long ways to go, but this looks sick. We're just gonna air down a little bit. It's pretty washboardy out here. Super uncomfortable. All right, so we're done messing around, taking pictures of this first little drop off. Gonna head up now, try to find a spot to go do some shooting, and then yeah.
Yeah, it feels way smoother, dude. It feels like I'm driving on the freeway.
Which way are we going? Alright, we're finally here. We made it safe and sound. Didn't really bring a lot of ammo with us because we didn't really think we were going to shoot. But we have like 50 rounds of 9 and a couple hundred shells, I think. 12 gauge. Let's go blow it up. Can we shoot this?
Never gonna use this. Oh, it's cheap.
The moss.
It's blocking your face.
Bro, look cool, dude.
Ready? Am I gonna hit my head?
This is Valorant aim right here.
3, 2, 1. That's it?
You only have one?
I only put one on. I was scared. Alright. Sick, bro.
We're live! 95! We're so unprepared that we're looking around to find targets to shoot. This is mine. Call dibs. I'm gonna switch over. Maybe shoot this easy a little bit.
Driver, how many targets did he give you? A lot. Oh.
What are we doing looking for targets if we have a lot? Bet.
The target?
No, the f***ing orange.
Oh, the orange. Oh, the clay?
Bet.
Let's go.
Alright, bet.
Oh my.
Bet. $10? Alright, so you got 5 shots, $5. How about you shoot 5? If you don't hit 5, I shoot 5, and then if we don't hit it, then we both lose. Years on, years on.
To shout casting. What am I supposed to yell out?
Huh?
What am I supposed to yell out? Casting? Huh? Casting? Casting?
Casting.
He's like, oh, shit, I can't rack it. Okay.